Welcome back to another exciting video from AutoZone by Con, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights from the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about cars and love staying up to date with the newest models, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our automotive content. Today, we're talking about a car that's close to the hearts of many budget-conscious buyers, especially in Southeast Asia, the 2025 Proton Saga. Proton has refreshed its beloved compact sedan once again, and in this video, we'll go over its performance, pickup, design updates, and of course, the latest price for the 2025 model. Let's begin with the engine and performance. The 2025 Proton Saga continues to be powered by the tried and tested 1.3-liter 4-cylinder VVT engine. This engine delivers a maximum output of around 94 horsepower and 120 Nm of torque. While that might not sound like a lot, the Saga is all about efficiency and urban practicality. The pickup is modest but smooth, with a 0 to 100 km/h time of approximately 13 seconds. It's not a sports car, but it provides more than enough power for daily commuting and highway cruising. The continuously variable transmission, or CVT, has been refined in this new model for better responsiveness and smoother gear transitions. Now let's talk about design. On the outside, Proton has given the Saga a slightly sharper front fascia with a revised bumper and grille. The 2025 model looks more modern and refined, with sleeker headlamps and new alloy wheels on the higher variants. The overall silhouette remains the same: compact, practical, and easy to drive in tight urban environments. Inside, the cabin gets a few tweaks as well. Proton has updated the infotainment system, now featuring a 7-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth, smartphone connectivity, and a user-friendly interface. The dashboard has been slightly reworked with better materials, and the seats offer improved cushioning for added comfort. Despite being an affordable sedan, the Saga still manages to offer decent space for passengers and luggage. In terms of safety, the 2025 Saga comes with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, stability control, and rear parking sensors. For the price segment it belongs to, it delivers good value in terms of standard safety features. Now for the part everyone's waiting for, the price. The 2025 Proton Saga remains one of the most affordable sedans in the market. Prices start from around $35,000 for the base variant and go up to $45,000 for the Premium S model. That translates to roughly $16,000 to $21,000, depending on the exchange rate and optional features. This pricing strategy continues to make the Saga a top choice for first-time car buyers, ride-sharing drivers, and anyone looking for reliable transportation without breaking the bank. So that's a quick look at the 2025 Proton Saga: efficient, affordable, and practical. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new model and whether it's worth considering in today's competitive market. Thanks for watching AutoZone by Con. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates. See you in the next video.